Today, Joint Medical Stores that was started by Uganda Catholic Bureau and Uganda Protestant Bureau in 1979 has commemorated 45 years of existence and launched 50 years roadmap with the Joint Symposium of Bishops in Zambia. Archbishop of the Church of Uganda, the Most Reverend Dr. Kaziimba Mugaru, during his sermon, called upon the bishops from both the Church of Uganda and Catholic Church to ensure unity in the church as they serve the Lord.
It is a call for unity for a purpose. We should find this purpose. What is this purpose? Purpose, for instance, social transformation. Like now, this meeting, social transformation. Because God has called us in this body to bring conversion of the head, the heart, the hands. Head, heart, hands, which result into homes, hospitals.
Dr. Kaziimba says that even matters who were burnt in Namugongo, both Catholics and Anglicans, were burnt together, symbolizing unity between Catholics and Anglicans because they all serve Jesus Christ.
The 13 Anglicans and the 12 Roman Catholics who were burnt at Namugongo, and their remains were buried together. They were burnt together. I don't see any practical action of unity than that one.
According to Dr. Kaziimba Mugaru, unity must be pursued with the objective of nurturing a sense of collective care. Just as every part of a body requires the support of others, unity should be cultivated to ensure that each individual is looked after and supported.
The health issues we are discussing, we must be united because sickness doesn't know any religion at all. Not at all. We can promote these hospitals and we say now, for this particular thing, you go to Mengo Hospital. For instance, if you have any issues with the eyes, Mengo Hospital can take care of you. I think doctors is a witness of that. But there are certain things where you have to go to Rwanda for this one.
Bishop Anthony Ziwa, chairman of Uganda Episcopal Conference, revealed some of the challenges they have encountered as joint medical stores, including limited funds, hence need for a lot of input by the church.
We are a non-profit making organization. The people whom we serve, many are poor, and so don't expect a lot of money from them. So there is a lot of input by the churches. Here I mean Catholic and Protestant. Two, our staff, they are not highly paid as government staff. So, in fact, the question we have been discussing, the retention of our staff suffers a lot because on the other side, some are highly paid. For example, medical doctors.
The other big problem we face is health financing. And again, this is a problem across the country because we don't have a good system for health financing. People pay for health services out of pocket.
He, however, highlighted some of the achievements for the last 45 years, like improved health services.
We started in very humble beginnings in the 1970s after the war during the time of Amin. And health facilities were not well facilitated, if I may say so, and medicines were not available. But today we have put up many facilities, I think in every diocese, both Catholic and Protestant.
Dr. Biridad Baguma, the executive director of Joint Medical Stores, says that they have so far reached many facilities for the 45 years period, doing a distribution and procurement and warehousing that will continue in the next 50 years.
Over the last 45 years, a lot of progress has been made. 45 years ago, Joint Medical Store was just a container receiving aid and coordinating the distribution of that aid to health facilities of the network. Today we talk about a facility that has more than 5 branches across the country. We have a branch in Mbarara, we have a branch in Arua, we have a branch in Fort Portal. We are completing construction right now of another regional warehouse in Gulu.
The function was attended by Archbishop of Kampala Diocese Paul Semwogerere, Bishop of Namirembe Diocese Moses Banja, and many other bishops across the country, both Catholic and Church of Uganda. Julius Mhomza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.